Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ and I am pleased to announce that today's video is sponsored by Contract Miner. Now they are a free virtual cloud mining site where you can mine multiple different coins for absolutely free, just simply by completing surveys, watching videos, playing games and a number of other things through their offer wall. And today they are launching a huge new event, which we will talk about in detail later. So keep watching.
Hey guys, so if you remember from RJ's last video, he made a withdrawal for 5 million Litecoin Satoshis, which we have been waiting for. If we click on our wallet, then scroll down and click on withdrawals, you will see that RJ made the withdrawal of Litecoin on February 12th, and it is now showing as paid. Also remember that Contract Miner charge a 1% fee on all withdrawals. Now if we go over to Faucet Pay, you will not see the deposit in the usual place. So we need to go into the History tab, where we can clearly see the deposit of 5 million Litecoin minus a 50,000 Litecoin Sats fee stopwatch, and you will also notice that it landed in our wallet on February 12th. Just remember that Contract Miner pays out withdrawals every Sunday. On that note, I believe it is a perfect time for RJ to tell you all about our sponsor Contract Miners, exciting new event that is starting today.
Okay, and also as well, remember, if you don't know a whole lot about Contract Miner, but you think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a tutorial. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to do to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some of those free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay guys, so we are now going to look at Contract Miner's latest event. Now this is going to be so much bigger than the Christmas event now, and a lot of you really seem to enjoy the Christmas event and the rewards that you were given there, but this is massive. This event is going to be so much better. Okay, so let's click into the event. You'll also see up here that the developer has added an event button just like the last time. So if you're on any other page and you want to get back to the event, that's all you've got to do is just click that button right at the top there and it will take you to this page. Okay, so the first thing that we got to do is we've got to activate our free pass. Now before that is, you got to do that before you do anything else. So let's do that. Okay, so we are activated as a free member. That means that anything you do after that, you're going to be collecting activity points or AP points, which will go towards the event. Now, just like the Christmas event, the Brazilian Carnival event has a free aspect, but it also has a premium paid aspect. So if you are already a veteran member, so if you have one of these memberships up here, so basically if we scroll down, click on here. So if you have one of these memberships, or you decide to invest the money and become a premium pass member just for the event, both of those are gonna basically give you a 20% bonus boost on your activity points. So basically any points that you collect, so whether you're doing surveys, PTC ads, you're playing the RP games, whatever it is, you will get your activity points, but you're also going to get a 20% bonus on top of that. Now obviously that is going to help you get through the different levels a lot faster. I understand that not everybody will want to invest that. Not everybody can even afford that. And that is why this event is great, because just like the Christmas event, you are also going to get free rewards. So if you decide that you want to just stay a free player through the competition, that is totally fine. Obviously, you're not going to get the premium rewards, but you're still going to get a really good amount of rewards for the time that you put into it. Now, basically, we scroll down here, you can see there are 7 tiers. So that's basically you got 7 pages of rewards. As any other competition, it starts off slow, and then as you go through the different tiers or different levels, the rewards will get better and better and better. Now, for those of you that do want to invest into the premium pass, it will cost you $25. The Christmas event, in fact, was $35, but the developers decided to drop it down to $25. But essentially, for that $25 upgrade, you are going to get over $150 worth of rewards, which are obviously going to boost your account, and in the long run will help you actually earn crypto on this site a lot faster, because you would have built up your mining power. Obviously, you're mining the coins, so the more mining power you have, the quicker you're going to earn the rewards. And as Jesse showed you at the beginning of the video, we've just done a payment proof of 5 million Litecoin, so you can see that the program is paying. That means, as I always say, if it's paying, it's working. So through the event, what can you expect to get? Well, obviously, you're going to get a profile icon, which is on the premium pass. Unfortunately, you guys, the free members, won't get this. I think it would have been nice if we'd had 2 of these icons. So you'd got a premium icon and then a free icon. And so, you guys still get the same kind of thing, but it's distinguished that, that's for a paid premium member and then that was for a free member. I just think that's the only little detail I think that I would change about this competition. Is just, I think it would have been nice if everybody got an icon for taking part in the competition, or it's a competition, I guess, the event. But along the way, what are you going to collect through your 7 tiers of playing? There's 70 rewards, and you're going to get there's 4 miners. You've also got 2 racks. You can see this is a rack for obviously free and premium members, because as you know, as a premium member from the Christmas event, if you have paid to be a premium member, or you already have a veteran subscription, you will not only get the premium rewards, but you'll also get the free rewards. So you get everything. If you're going to invest in this, or you've already got a membership, you get everything. Obviously, the free members will only get the free rewards. So basically, you've got a rack here, which is, aside from all the reward points, the EXP boosters, the time mega hashes, you're going to get yourself a 2 miner rack on level 2. This is, again, you're going to pick up loads of stuff. Basically in total, there's going to be, like I say, there's 4 miners, 2 racks. There is 1,775,000 reward points up for grabs. Obviously, that is basically the full package if you get that. So that would be basically on the premium pass. But there are a lot of reward points for free members as well. You've got 206,500 timed mega hashes. Each one of these as well, the timed mega hashes, each one of those last for 7 days. So even the free members, if we look here as a free member, 15,000 timed mega hash lasts for 7 days. A lot of other places, a lot of other platforms will give you things like this as power rewards and stuff like that, but they might only last 48 hours, 24 hours. Sometimes they do last a little longer. But throughout this whole event, any time mega hash that you pick up, whether you're a free member or a premium member, it will be for 7 days. Now, obviously, the way you could do it is you can, let's say we claim this, you can set that going 7 days. And then, but by the time, you get to the end of your 7 days, you've probably picked up another one. So then you can then add that. That's another 7 days. Or if you can save it all up and then just go boom and just have the whole lot running for 7 days. But yeah, obviously that comes down to you and your preference on how you want to use them. But also as well, finally, there are 6,600 power units. So obviously, as we know, with miners, they require power units to run. Normally you would go into the shop and buy these, but you can here just 600 power units there. If we scroll through, there will be some others, I'm sure, for free members, is there? Yeah, there you go. You got 250 power units there, 250 power units there. Again, you've got miners here. You've got the Robo Hash at 19,700, and we saw a miner here. So you got the Quantum Forge overclocked at 14,000 mega hashes, and then obviously we'll go through here. We've got, this is the other rack. So you've got the 4 miner rack. That obviously themed rack as well. So the thing is with these themed ones, obviously it's like the miners, they are themed, meaning they are limited edition. So if you get hold of these, whenever it gets to the point that you possibly can sell them on the market, they are going to be worth so much more, because not only are they themed, but the amount of power you get from the miners is going to be completely different to the standard miner that you can buy from the shop. So like this one here, that is a limited edition, right, at 19,700. If and when that comes into the shop to buy, it will just be this bog standard Robo Hash miner. So that won't be 9,700 mega hashes. It will probably be quite considerably lower. So like I say, if you buy these and then later date you decide to sell them on the market, they're going to be worth so much more. Okay, so here we go. Free miner, the Ava 9 again. This will be probably a limited edition. It's saying it's a rare version of the miner. That's going to give you 10,570 mega hashes. Now, that's a chunk of power, that is. That's a real good chunk of power to add to your account. And as a free member, or a free player, dropping that into your account is going to probably make quite a considerable difference to how much you are mining and how fast you are earning those coins. And then final page, here we go. So obviously, again, lots of power units, EXP boosters, timed mega hashes, all that kind of stuff. And then finally, we've got a legendary, I believe that is the same as the Christmas miner, which was an S7, I think it was. They've called it the Neo Circuit Overclocked, and you're going to be getting 26,500 mega hashes from that. And that would be obviously as a premium member, that will be the end of the competition for you. But, like I say, as free members, you are going to be still collecting a really good amount of rewards from this competition. So personally, I think that it is well worth doing. Whether you want to invest the extra money into the premium pass, that is entirely up to you. Even if you don't, it's still a great competition. You can still earn lots of rewards. And the other really good thing, which is something I always say about these events, is you are being rewarded for stuff you are doing anyway. So, if you're a regular visitor to Contract Miner and you come and do your PTC ads and your RP games and all that kind of stuff, you're going to be earning reward points or activity points, which is going to help you get through the event. So like I say, you're being rewarded for doing stuff anyway that you would normally do on the site. And like I say, these RP games, the great thing with these is that you can come and do them. Dead simple. And then, like I say, that's 900 seconds. But after 900 seconds, you can come back in and do all three again. You know, so, you know, if you've got like a second monitor, or, you know, you just remember, okay, so every so often I can come back in here and I can keep doing this. That's just going to keep adding more and more activity points, pushing you further and further through that event and claiming more and more rewards. So like I say, it's stuff you're doing anyway. And also as well, at the same time, you're claiming reward points for your account, so you can go into the RP shop, pick up some more time mega hashes, pick up some power units. Hopefully you won't need any of them though, because you'll get them all from the event, and then you'll have all that extra RP left over, so when the event finishes and basically everything that you've claimed has ran out, you've got a nice bank of reward points to then buy more of power units and the time mega hash boosts. And then obviously, and then basically just you could do the PTC ads. What these dead simple, you know, just go through them every 24 hours. You can come and do those again. That's going to claim you AP and get you on that, basically get you moving through that event. Okay, so as a final thing, and I obviously I did this in the last video. I did, you know, I'm always want to be honest with you guys, and you know, let you know what's going on, and like I say, be as transparent as possible. So just like the Christmas event, I have been very fortunate that the developer has basically given me the CMC to claim the premium pass. And if I get given free passes and rewards and stuff like that, I always tell you guys, because, you know, I don't want to be sneaky. I don't want to look like I'm being underhanded. So anyway, I'm going to claim my premium pass now. So here we go. I'm going to purchase that. And then that's it. And that is how simple it is to get your premium pass up and running. If we go back round, there you go. So where it said claim your premium pass, that is now gone. And obviously we are up and running. And yeah, and we will go through the competition as normal. And finally, I just want to give a big shout out and a massive thank you to the Contract Miner for sponsoring this video, as it all helps towards keeping the lights on, as they say. Thanks a lot. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. And if you are interested in that tutorial I spoke about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.